Hi, hello everyone. Let's start discussion on a very important module, which is the emerging technology in RegTech industry. So it is at the seventh model. So where we are going to discuss how the AI ML techniques are, involved in the RegTech industry or the blockchain in payment and the cloud computing in the compliance of these product manager role in the RegTech and FinTech domain industry video series. So, guys, before we are going to start discuss on this topic, I'll request you if you are interested in the product manager role or the business analyst role or the quant analyst role or the quality analyst role or AI ML related roles or no code low code side roles or you are interested in the cloud computing, so please do like and subscribe my channel. So I am creating on such topic videos that will definitely help you in the IT industry. Every IT industry demands such skills for the candidate, so that's why I am creating on this topic video. So let's start discussion on this presentation, which is the emerging technology in the RegTech. So initially we are going to discuss on the introduction to emerging technologies in the RegTech and the FinTech industry, and then we will move one by one each technology. So let's discuss on the the technologies like a transformation of compliance, key technologies in RegTech and the benefit of organization and the enhance the product management. That thing we are going to discuss in this video. So, emerging technologies are transforming the RegTech landscape by enabling faster, more accurate, and cost effective compliance solutions. A regulatory requirement become increasing complex. Traditional manual process are no longer sufficient for in the RegTech industry. Technologies such as artificial intelligence, blockchain, and the cloud computing offer innovative way to automate the compliance and enhance the security and improve the scalability. For a product manager, understanding these technologies is a crucial to design a solution that meet the regulatory standard while delivering a superior and user experience. These advancement also helps organization reduce the operational risks, improve the transparency, and maintain a competitive advantage in a rapid evolving financial ecosystem. By leveraging these tools, a RegTech product can provide a real-time monitoring, predictive analysis, and seamless integration with existing financial system and ensure the compliance without compromising any agility. So that should contain everything in the RegTech or the FinTech solution. So let's discuss on the key technologies which are in the RegTech and the FinTech. So let's first discuss on the AI and machine learning in a RegTech, how they are involved in the RegTech. So in this video we are going to discuss how the automation and anomaly detection will help in the RegTech, and then machine learning for the risk prediction, natural language processing, and the real-time monitoring insights. So, artificial intelligence and machine learning are realizing compliance process by enabling automation and predictive capabilities. So, AI provided system can analyze vast amount of transactional data to detect the anomalies and flag suspicious activity, significantly improving the anti-money laundering and know your customer process. So machine learning model continuously learn from historical data, enhancing their ability to predict the potential compliance breaches and fraud risks. Natural language processes (NLP) is another AI application that helps interpret the regulatory text and automate the reporting tasks. For product manager, integrating AI ML into RegTech solution means a building system that can adopt to involve regulation, reduce a false positive, and provide actionable insights. This technology also allow for real-time monitoring and decision making, which is essential for today in fast-paced environment. And AI/ML will give you how the next process you need to take, and there is the anti-money law. There is the predictive analysis or the risk-based approach which AI/ML technology will provide you while you are doing the transaction monitoring or the name screening or the sanction screening of the customers, or the use the fuzzy logic for the customer. So let's move on the next slide, which is the next technology, which is a blockchain in the payment. So where we are going to discuss on the role of blockchain in the compliance, how the blockchain technology will be involved in the compliance management system. So where we discuss on the transparency and security, faster cross-border payments, automated compliance, and RegTech and enhancement. So, blockchain technology offers unparalleled transparency and security in financial transactions, making it a valuable tool for compliance. It decentralizes the ledger, ensure that all transactions are immutable and verifiable, reducing the risk of fraud and enhancing the trust among the stakeholder. So with blockchain technology, you can track each and every transactions, and you will be able to do the link analysis most effective and most improvised way. So uh, in a payment, blockchains enable the faster cross-border transaction with lower cost and improve the traceability, which I already told you. And smart contract is key feature of blockchain. Automate the compliance by executing predictive rules or without manual intervention. For a RegTech product, blockchain can simplify audit process, provide a real-time transaction visibility, and ensure ad- adheres to regulatory standard. Product manager should consider a blockchain integration to enhance the security, streamline the compliance workflow, and deliver an innovation payment solution that meet a global regulatory requirements, and that will within the regulatory requirements. So let's move on the next technology, which is the cloud based compliance solution. And every organization or all the solutions or all the product solutions that move from the on premises based to cloud based, so it is an also most important topic and the very hot topic in the industry. So where we discuss on the benefits of cloud in a RegTech. So scalability and flexibility is there, data time, real time data processing, robust security measure, and collaboration and analytics. So cloud computing has become a cornerstone for a modern RegTech solution due to its scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Cloud-based platform allow organizations to deploy compliance tool quickly without significant infrastructure and the investment. They enable real-time data processing, which is essential for monitoring transaction and generating compliance report. Additionally, cloud solutions support a seamless integration with other financial system and provide a robust security measure, including the encryption and multi-factor authentication. For a product manager, leveraging the cloud technology means deliver a solution that can scale with business growth, adapt to regulatory changes, and ensure high availability. So cloud platform also facilitate the collaboration among the stakeholder and support advanced analytics, making them indispensable for building a future ready RegTech product. So that's the benefits of the cloud technology while we are in using this technology in the RegTech or the FinTech product. So let's discuss on the key takeaway from this video. So let's discuss on the summary of emerging technology. So emerging technology such as the AI, ML, blockchain, cloud computing are reshaping the RegTech industry by offering innovative solutions to complex compliance challenges. AI and ML enable the predictive analytics and automate the reducing manual effort and improve the accuracy. Blockchain enhance the transparency and security in payment, while smart contract automate the compliance processes. So, okay, and then Cloud-based platform provide a scalability, cost efficiency, and real-time processing capability, making them ideal for dynamic regulatory environment. For product manager, understanding and integrating these technology is crucial to building a competitive, compliant and user-centric product. Embracing these advancements ensure that RegTech solution remain agile, secure, and aligned with global regulatory standards. So that is the end of this interesting video, which is on the topic of model 7, which is the emerging technology in RegTech, where we discuss on the AI and machine learning technology, blockchain implement, and the cloud-based compliance solution. So, guys, if you are interested in the product manager role, or if you are interested in the cloud computing, or the business analyst, quant analyst, quality analyst role, so please do like and subscribe my channel, and that will motivate me to create an video on such hot topic. Once again, guys, thank you so much for attending this interesting seminar. Thank you so much, guys, once again.